Hi mates, today I'm gonna show you how to change your voice to sound like a girl. And if you remember, in our channel I recorded a video about that, how to download this voice changer clownfish. And yeah, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use it, how to change your voice to sound like a girl. And yeah, let's move on. Let me show you how to do it. So first, when you download this app software, I don't know, this voice changer, yeah, just double click it here and click on set voice changer. And from here, if you remember, I show you how to make your voice to sound like a baby, like a robot, like a soul mutation, fast mutation. But now, as you can see, here is female pitch, and when you click on
it, now you sound like a female, like a girl, I mean. And the cool thing is that you can custom pitch it from here.
Now outside, my voices sound higher.
Now deeper.
And that was how to change your voice to sound like a girl. And if you want to clear the effect, just click here with clear effect. And that was it. If I helped you out, don't be hesitate to leave a comment. And if you have some problems, if you have some questions, you can comment down below. Yeah, in a few days I'll try to respond. And see you next video. Bye.